Open Community Plugins from Settings. The page separates your Sandbox, globally available plugins, and the admin review queue. The available shelf lists plugins the team already promoted globally. Read the status, scope, analysis types, owner, and content hash before enabling anything. Click Enable only when the plugin is appropriate for this account. This opt-in is a Sandbox toggle, not a new global promotion. Click Enabled to turn the plugin off again. The safe habit is to leave extra analysis engines disabled unless a project needs them.